for whom the bell tolls. In this video, we will discuss relationship between Maria and Jordan, and also the theme of love and war. Maria's love for Jordan is very meaningful that brings her to life, though for a short time. She was the daughter of a town mayor. Her father and mother are killed. She is raped by the racist at the very outset of the novel. Fascists have shaved off her head and has kept her as their personal property. She was being moved by the train to some other place. Pablo and El Sardo had dynamited that train, and she was rescued from the clutches of fascists. Jordan's anti-fascism draw Maria to him. She sees Messiah who can avenge her parents' death and her sufferings. She is a victim of the fascist atrocities, and she gives Jordan a unique experience of love. It is crudely described by Piller as the earth shock. In Jordan's words, I love thee as I love that we have fought for. I love thee as I love liberty and dignity. I love thee as I love Madrid that we have defended. But I love thee as I love what I love most in the world, and I love thee more. The theme of love and war is vigorously woven in Jordan's love for Spain and Maria. This love affair strengthened their relationship and commitment to cause of blowing up the bridge to avenge the sufferings of Maria. Jordan's love restores her self-respect and dignity. She is in need of a man who can use tolerance, for which she is thirsty to contribute to the destruction of the racists. Different critics have misinterpreted her innocence and simplicity and call her as a sort of narcotics for Jordan. They feel that she is an easy escape for Jordan out of the complicated situation in which he finds himself and refuses to face the implications of his actions. On the personal level, she becomes for him not only his beloved but also his sister and daughter. On the political level, she becomes a symbol of war ravaged Spain, which Jordan loves. When Jordan's dialects become confused, Maria is there to make him think more concrete. It becomes fairly convincing that he is fighting for establishing order in Spain.